Welcome friends. So we have to format USA phone number like this by semicolon separated. So when you have to add multiple phone numbers in a single text box in Angular, then you need to do this. For a single phone number verification, we have a multiple examples. For multiple phone numbers, I am creating this one. So at the end of the tutorial, you will get the result like this. So let's start. First of all, we need to make some changes inside the component.html. Let's start with that. We need to create an event on the model change event. So on ng model change, we are hitting a function that is called change, which is taking event as a parameter and input as a parameter. Now go to your component.ts file. Write a function here that will handle that ng change model. First of all, create a function. In the add more mask function, you need to write some code. So what will do this code? This will add one more mask into your existing mask. So now handle the change event. In the change event, you need to call this function. In the change event, we are checking last character of the string. If the last character is semicolon and index of underscore is -1, then we are adding the more mask. Let's save it and test it. So this is the function. You can add as much as numbers with the masking you want. Now I'm going to make it as same as we have our notations. So you can change according to your requirement. So I have a bracket here, remove that. One bracket here, remove that. Add a dash here. Copy this whole thing and paste here. Go back to your component.html file and make some changes here. Now see the changes. You can work according to your requirement. You can change the expression as you need. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. I will upload more videos that will be helpful in the actual working environment. Thank you.